Upgrading your windows is an exciting step toward improving your home's comfort, efficiency, and appearance. If you're planning a window installation in Gaithersburg, understanding what to expect can help you feel more prepared and confident throughout the process. From initial planning to final cleanup, a professional installation is designed to be smooth, efficient, and minimally disruptive to your daily routine. The process typically begins with a consultation and assessment. During this stage, professionals evaluate your existing windows, take precise measurements, and discuss your goals. Whether you're focused on energy efficiency, improved aesthetics, or better functionality, this is your opportunity to choose the right window styles, materials, and features for your home. In Gaithersburg, where seasonal changes can affect indoor comfort, selecting energy-efficient options is often a key priority. Once your windows are selected and ordered, the installation is scheduled. Most homeowners are surprised to learn that the actual installation process is relatively quick, often completed in 1 to 2 days depending on the number of windows. Before the team arrives, you may be asked to clear the area around your windows, both inside and outside, to provide easy access for installers. On installation day, the crew will begin by protecting your home. This includes laying down drop cloths, covering nearby furniture, and taking steps to prevent dust or debris from spreading. Professional installers understand the importance of keeping your home clean and organized throughout the process. The next step involves removing the old windows. This is done carefully to avoid damaging the surrounding structure. In some cases, installers may inspect the window opening for any signs of damage, such as rot or moisture issues. Addressing these problems before installing the new windows ensures a solid foundation and long-term performance. Once the opening is prepared, the new window is installed. Precision is key at this stage. The window must be properly aligned, leveled, and secured to ensure smooth operation and a tight seal. Installers use insulation materials and sealants around the frame to eliminate gaps and prevent air leaks. This step is especially important in Gaithersburg, where maintaining indoor temperature consistency can improve comfort year-round. After the window is securely in place, the team will check its functionality. Each window is opened, closed, and locked to ensure everything operates smoothly. Proper alignment and operation are essential for both performance and ease of use. Sealing and finishing touches come next. This includes applying trim or molding to create a clean, finished look both inside and outside your home. These details not only enhance appearance but also add an extra layer of protection against air and moisture infiltration. Cleanup is an important part of the process. Professional installers remove old windows, debris, and materials, leaving your home as clean as they found it. This means you can start enjoying your new windows right away without worrying about post-project mess. During and after installation, you may also receive guidance on how to care for your new windows. This can include tips on cleaning, maintenance, and proper operation to ensure long-lasting performance. Modern windows are designed to be low maintenance, but a little routine care helps keep them in top condition. One of the biggest benefits you'll notice immediately is improved comfort. New windows help reduce drafts, regulate indoor temperatures, and minimize outside noise. In Gaithersburg homes, this can make a noticeable difference in how your space feels throughout the seasons. Energy efficiency is another advantage that becomes apparent over time. With better insulation and sealing, your HVAC system doesn't have to work as hard, which can lead to lower energy bills. This makes window installation not just a comfort upgrade, but a smart long-term investment. In the end, a window installation in Gaithersburg is a straightforward process when handled by experienced professionals. By understanding each step, from planning and preparation to installation and cleanup, you can approach the project with confidence. The result is a more comfortable, efficient, and visually appealing home that you can enjoy for years to come.